call afterwards. 3-hour shift. Looks like a busy Labor Day. I'm just gonna move on to tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you the next day. Dollar Tree shopping. When you're in the supermarket, you buy for retails, you buy them as like an actual retail price from each item or anything that decides what the company has to require. But when you're in Dollar Tree, whatever costs less or whatever covers $1.25 or more, depending on the item, or any, like say $5 of a basket, $5 of a tumbler, yeah. Besides those, $1.25 for anything. Now, most of the items that are priced are originating to the store. Some that are branded are priced, although priced that are originally priced, are also priced a little bit higher to cooperate to make it a little bit equal to those. Let's say each company's branding business. That's fair, right? On the bright side, they have a lot of convenience to find in this store. Like a lot of stuff that's even cooler. So cool that it even made wooden pallets that small of a size. How cool is that? Now, it's really hard to believe it, but for the convenience of every store, it's really, they do this in their early pace that harvest season items have been stocked like really early. And by early, it's August. I mean, like early August. I mean, it doesn't make sense at first, but it's kind of the way they wanted to put it out that way. From where we are now, we live in a society that we feel trapped to what people want for a living. It's obviously not a thing, but who knows? Holidays and stuff. People in the country want to make up their own minds of what they want to do for people that they like to desire. It's sort of their thing. I can't judge that. They do what they want to do. I think that's enough shopping for now. Appreciate it so much. Yeah, full disclosure. Also, unfortunately, when I went there, they say they don't have the oil filter for my car. So I'm gonna see if Napa has it instead. Another full disclosure, Napa, they do have the spin-on oil filter, but they only have the 2.4 liter version instead of the 1.8 liter version that I have. The car that I'm driving now. They would say that I would go for the cartridge, like replace the cartridge, but if for the 1.8 that on the spin-on filter that I have now, but if I'm gonna go for the 2.4, it's gonna be risky, so. one more. O'Reilly. Let's see what they have this time. Toyota Corolla LE.
No problem. Thank you very much. And you need the oil filter, correct?
Yeah, it's a spin on, right?
It should be.
Yeah, okay.
We'll check it out before you leave. Sure, it should do what you want. That's the one we have recommended.
AutoZone, Napa, Advanced Auto, O'Reilly. Obviously, quiet. Obviously, they might have something, but well, Napa has something, but well, the can itself, but not for my type of liter amount. Oh, sorry. For O'Reilly, it's still the same thing as AutoZone and Advanced Auto. They still have the cartridges. So I don't know. It's very complicated to figure out how I'm gonna find the actual spin-on can itself, like the new one. Like I never done anything like this before. If I had to be experienced at this, I gotta know where to get those stuff. Like I need help from experts or something. Wouldn't that be something? The first Monday, which means it is Labor Day. But it's not something special for me because today is my first day of vlogging, but something special for a lot of people for Labor Day. And it all began like over a century ago, like in the late 1800s, like 1894, a federal holiday.